everyone, told you one day I'll go ahead and do this review by now. First, we are going to take a look at this Apache the blue helicopter. I'm surprised this would be the Matchbox helicopter that had to be shown a few times before. I mean, yeah, it's not my test model though. Could have been the best. Could have been the best I could to grab this guy. Also, these functions work very well. Surprised by now. But from my point of view, these missile detailings are a bit unpainted. This piece is also movable. Maybe going like up to 360 degrees would be such idea. This wheel moves, but this one is having a hard time moving. And if I get this to work like my lousy thumb had, see, works very well, doesn't it? Yeah. So literally, you're going to be able to see this blue helicopter later on. Oh yeah, forgot to mention his number though. 22. You'll be able to see this guy later on. And thank you so much for watching. He's made in 2011 by the way, and bye.